Nick, where's Ashley? Where's Ash? Where's Ash? Good job. Where's Britt? Good job. Where's Tyler? Where's Ty? Good job. Where's Jake? Where's Jake? Good job. Where's Josh? Very good. Where's Christian? Good. Where's Lauren? Where's Lauren? Right. Where's Gina? Where's Gina? Right. Where's Jeff? Where's Jeffrey? Right. Where's Olivia? Where's Olivia? Right. Where's Eric? Right. He's all the way up there. That's right. Eric. Right. Good job.